everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I share with you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. If this is something you're interested in, please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy black-eyed pea stir fry. It's for those days when you're really hungry after work or school and you don't have the time or the patience to make something elaborate, because this takes less than 5 minutes to put together. So let's get cooking. So here I have a pan on medium-high heat to which I've added around a tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice as long as it's flavorless. To this, I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and I'm going to wait for the seeds to start spluttering. As you can see, my mustard seeds are spluttering, so to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of urad dal or white lentils, and I'm going to cook this till it's about golden brown in color. Now I'm adding some curry leaves and I'm going to toast this for around 10 to 15 seconds. All my ingredients look super toasty, so to this I'm going to add around a cup of black-eyed peas. I'm using canned black-eyed peas because it's super convenient, but as always, feel free to pressure cook your dry black-eyed peas if that's what you prefer. To this I'm going to add around a teaspoon of dried red chili powder. You can adjust the red chili powder according to your spice preference. I'm also adding around a teaspoon and a half of dried coriander seed powder. I'm going to give all of this a really nice mix and cook for around 2 minutes. Here I'm adding some coconut for some extra creaminess. I'm going to give all of this a really nice mix. I'm going to salt to taste. Cook for around 30 seconds. I'm going to turn off my element and garnish with some additional freshly grated coconut. And that's the finished dish. So this is a super versatile recipe. You can have it as is because it's super delicious on its own, but you can also add it to your wraps or on top of rice cakes with some hummus. There's so much you can do with it. Let me know in the comments if you try it out and how it turned out. And yeah, and also let me know if this is something you're interested in, like truly fast food that is super healthy. And I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!